Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my humble casa, my humble home here in Livingston, Montana. Okay, I've got Saturday, the 23rd of January of 2021 today. And what I'm up to on this YouTube video is I'm going to be doing an opinion or an explanation or a review, whatever you want to call it, of this particular piece right here. This is an outdoor edge, and it's a Razor-Lite 3.5-inch blade on the thing. It's a Razor-Lite 3.5 blade EDC. It's basically a glorified box cutter. It's a glorified utility knife, if you will, and I'll show you that part. Okay, let me open up this. By the way, you can get these on Amazon for around 30 bucks. This is some of you might want to pay attention because this will save you a lot of money, and this is actually a pretty good piece, really, when you get right down to it. I'd recommend it, I do believe. Okay, I know this thing ain't going to stay in focus, it never does. But this comes in 3 colors, ladies and gentlemen. You can get it in blue, orange, and gray, okay? And also what makes this piece kind of unique is right here, these blades. They give you a total of 6 blades, 1 in the piece, okay, 1 in the piece, and 5 extra blades, and they're all wrapped up in plastic, and they got safety shields on them and stuff. And I don't want to. I bought this for my whittling kit. Okay, I've got a kit that I built up, I don't know, a year or so ago for whittling. As I screw around with that, so I thought it would be kind of it. And the razor blade knife, I had a Gerber EAB. And I didn't like it, so I purchased this. But these are, you can take these out, you can throw the dull blades away, you can actually sharpen these, you can do a lot of things. But for people that don't know how to sharpen knives, I consider this a pretty good value for your money. With $30 anyway. But let me close that up there and open this piece up. Now, this is what I'm going to do real quick like here. Because I get so doggone tired of trying to remember everything, and I'll do a video and I'll go, gee, you forgot to say this, you didn't mention that, you did that, and all that stuff. So it's just as simple for me to read this stuff off of Amazon's description here, if you can see that, which I'm sure I'm going to get this visible if it's the last thing I do. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. I'm going to have enough time just keeping this piece in focus here. Okay, here we go with this outdoor edge Razor-Lite 3.5 EDC. Never sharpen your knife again. Change blades fast and easy. When a blade goes dull, simply push a lock release button to the handle and remove and insert a shaving sharp new one. And that would be this button right here, which I'll show you that here in a minute, okay? And I hope this is staying somewhat in focus, which I doubt it is. Okay. Japanese 420 J2 stainless steel replacement blades. Okay, that guy right there. I just got done waving in your face, a bunch of them. Okay. 3.5-inch drop point blades are precisely heat treated to ensure excellent edge retention. Then hand finish shaving sharp, includes 6 blades total. That's what came in that box. 6 blades, additional 3.5-inch drop point blade pack sold separately. That means if you need any more, okay, other than what comes with. 6 total comes with. Okay, black oxide coated blade holder, rigid 420 J2 stainless steel blade holder supports the razor blade for the strength of a traditional knife and the sharpness of a surgeon's scalpel. This is very, very sharp. Trust me on that, man. Dual thumb studs, it's right there. You can see them, we got dual thumb studs there. Okay, and dual thumb studs allow easy one-handed opening. Okay, glass nylon grippery handle with GPR inserts and pocket clip. Okay, and pocket grip. Incredibly strong, lightweight, gribery fiberglass nylon polymer frame with rubberized blue TPR molded into the grip. The stainless steel pocket clip is securely fastened to the polymer handle, keeping the knife ready and available at all times. Service for life. Outdoor Edge produces quality hunting tools that are built to last. If you have a problem with your Outdoor Edge knife, contact us. We address all replacement and service requests. And like I've said, ladies and gentlemen, I do have experience with Outdoor Edge. I've got a set, a great big butcher knife set that I bought from Cabela's years ago, and I paid like, I don't know, I want to say 70, 80 bucks. But when I first got those knives, I thought, boy, these are kind of cheesy looking. But I've harvested and butchered a lot of game with those Outdoor Edge knives, and they're not too bad. I got it, so I kind of figured this utility knife here wouldn't be too bad neither. But like I say, I'm not carrying this personally myself for an EDC. I'm putting it in my whittling container or my whittling sack or folder or whatever you want to call it. So, but anyway, okay, let me get on to this part. Okay, 3.5 inch on this blade right here has been well established. 4.5 inches on this handle right here. I read you off all the stats on the handle. Really about the only thing I haven't showed you is how to change these blades. Well, this little button right there, this guy right there, that is not a lockup or anything. It's a lockup for the blade, but the knife itself, the blade is right there. It's got a liner lock, a back set liner lock. You know what I mean? Sure you do. Goes to the back of the knife, not a belly lock, but it's just a lock back. Okay. But this button right here, you just push this, and it releases that blade. Like if you're going to change blades, or if you're going to clean this channel out, you push the little button like that, and there's the blade. Okay, the blade comes out just like this, and there's a channel in this knife that the blade slides into, and that's all you got to basically do is just take the tip of this guy right here, that guy right there, and just slide it right into the belly of this, of the channel. Let's see if I can do this without... Oh, I'm going to have to scoot up here. Okay, there we go. Okay, you see that? And then, listen real close. There we go. There we go. So there you go. That's all there is to it. Now, at the beginning of this video, when you seen that package of blades, the reason why I didn't take them apart, ladies and gentlemen, because I want to put them in my whittling kit. That's the word I've been looking for. All whole like that, so they're not falling all over the place, but the blades are individually wrapped, and they're also individually covered right in here, so you can't cut yourself when you're putting a new blade on. And that's really about all this thing is, really, right here, Okay, I got 8 minutes on this file. That's good. Like I say, 3 colors: blue, gray, orange. A back lock, if you will, right there. A locking back. I keep forgetting that. It's an old school mechanism, but I kind of miss them. Because a lot of knives anymore, they put the liner locks down there. You know what I mean? But this doesn't have that. It's got a hilt, a rear lock there, and the only other button is for taking the blade out. But for as far as what I've seen, I played around with this for a couple of days. It seems like a pretty decent knife. It doesn't wiggle and rattle too awful much. I am definitely recommending this for somebody that needs a real lightweight. They didn't give the weight, but I think it's like around 3.5 ounces. But somebody that needs a real lightweight EDC that's very, very sharp, because this is just as sharp as what you can get on those utility knives. You guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm coming up on 10 minutes. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, but this would make a good buy for somebody that needs a sharp, lightweight knife, everyday carry. Thank you very much, and we shall see you on down the trail. Adios, my friends.